Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional LinkedIn profile in 2026. A complete and professional LinkedIn profile can help you attract recruiters, grow your network, and discover better career opportunities. Let's get started. First, sign into your LinkedIn account and click on your asterisk profile picture asterisk. Then select asterisk view profile asterisk. This is where you'll build and manage your professional profile. Start by uploading a clear, high-quality profile photo. Choose a professional headshot with good lighting and a simple background. Next, add a background banner image that reflects your industry or personal brand. Now, write a strong asterisk headline asterisk. Instead of only listing your job title, briefly describe what you do and the value you provide. For example, include your profession, key skills, or area of expertise. Scroll down to the About Asterisk section and write a short summary about yourself. Mention your experience, strengths, achievements, and career goals. Keep it clear, professional, and easy to read. Next, add your work experience asterisk. Include your current and previous positions, company names, employment dates, and a brief description of your responsibilities and accomplishments. Whenever possible, highlight measurable results. After that, add your education skills certifications and any relevant licenses projects or volunteer experience These sections help recruiters better understand your qualifications and improve your profile's visibility in LinkedIn searches. Don't forget to customize your LinkedIn public profile URL to make it shorter and more professional. Also, review your contact information to ensure your email address and other details are accurate. Finally, proofread your entire profile for spelling or grammar mistakes and make sure all information is up to date. A complete profile with accurate details creates a stronger first impression and increases your chances of being noticed by employers. And that's it. You now